Good morning. Happy March, everyone. This is your week's learning document that I've shared with you, and today is March 2nd. And just to go over a couple things, I'm still noticing some of us are taking pictures that's a little bit crooked. Go ahead and check this little blurb out. You can kind of click on it and zoom in just to see what it looks like to take a good picture for Seesaw and what a not so great picture is. And so make sure we're taking details to that. Um, again, please go to this checklist to see what documents you have and have not completed. I'm starting to color code them so it's easier for us to see what we need to be working at. I'm still updating that, so I'll be doing that throughout today. Today is a day one, and so something we're going to do a little bit differently, we're going to combine devotions and Bible together. And so we're going to meet at 9 a.m. in the mornings or 8:30 a.m. I'll kind of change it depending on who I'm conferencing with writing that day. And so just try and check in by 8 a.m. when we're posting, just like you would in class. If you can't make it, you can't make it, but I will just start taking like just attendance for Bible, because it's basically Bible class. And so you guys can join the meet here and come around 9 with your Bible, notebook, and your pencil ready. And today will just be kind of easing our way in. So if you miss it and you're watching this late, that's okay. I'm just letting you know now. For writing, make sure you have your own notebook, whether it's just a stack of papers or a free notebook that you have to be doing your writing, because we are developing. There should be a progression. Today, I posted a mini lesson on what it looks like to develop the heart of your story with theme, and I kind of give you a summary of a book and use that as an example. And so show your process on Seesaw. It's writing the heart of your story. And then throughout the week, I'll be going to refer to this. So every day you could even upload a new one on your Seesaw if that's what you want to do. So today I'll be meeting with Joey, Jaden, Marcus, Curtis, and Jonathan. Make sure you guys check here to see what time your meetings are for this week. For math, thank you for those of you who have completed the formative assessment. I think that there's still maybe 4 of you, 5 of you who haven't. And so if you haven't done that, that should be your priority today. If you have done that, please go and check your feedback. I noticed a lot of us were having a hard time with perimeter. So watch this video and see how to do it properly. Make the corrections, either add them onto the comments of the Seesaw or copy and edit and then upload the new answers, whatever it's easier for you. Then notice I'll give you a 2 or a 3. If you have any 2s on anything, go to this folder and look up any practice problems. So if you struggle with perimeter, go to the perimeter activity. There will be the answers on the next page. Try not to look at the next page. Have your mom and dad help you print it out and then do it on one page, and then have yourself check it or have your parent or someone check it for you later. That way you're getting the full practice of it. Don't just copy down the answers. That's not going to help you. Miss Yang doesn't really need to see you doing that. It's for your own benefit. Let's see. If you got a 3, I think there were 2 or 3 of you who guys got 3s on everything. You may go to the Seesaw under P&A enrichment, and you can do the really fun activity to make your own name and doing that for extra practice and for bonus. Okay. You also have Chinese work maybe to catch up on, so go ahead and do that. Be sure you're logging in your reading log today and for the rest of this week, because I'm going to have you submit it again on March 6th. Remember, reading is a priority. You guys need to carve out time, and you need to be doing that. So I blocked off 2 to 2:30 for you guys to be able to do that. If you have any questions, make sure to message me. Obviously, you can see we're going to be kind of booked in the morning time with these conferences. But if you have any questions, I'll try and respond to your emails as soon as possible. Miss Yip has emailed me, and she wanted me to let you guys know that there are some of you guys who have not completed your activities. You can go to the PE Home Learning, and she's put all the 3rd graders, so find 3C, find your name, and see which activities you haven't completed. They are all on Seesaw. So that's your responsibility. Make sure you guys are keeping up with your other classes as well. All right. Have a great day of learning, and I'll see some of you guys soon.